In 2025, the electric Porsche Macan is finally on the horizon, and it is set to make a big splash in the electric vehicle world. For Porsche, this marks a major leap forward as they bring the much-loved Macan into the electric era. Recently, Car Magazine got an inside look at all the cutting-edge technology, engineering, and software that will make this electric Macan truly stand out. Why is this such a significant development? Well, the current Macan has been a favorite for nearly a decade, but it's never had a hybrid version. Now Porsche is skipping straight ahead, introducing an all-electric Macan that blends the crossover features we love with the performance and sleek design for Taycan. If this model hits the mark, it could easily become a bestseller in the electric SUV market. Car Magazine didn't just scratch the surface, they dug deep into the Macan's new platform, engineering innovations, and overall development process. The prototypes for this electric Macan have been put through their paces, covering an impressive 2 million miles in testing to ensure that it's ready for anything. When you sit in the passenger seat of the new e-Macan, the first thing you will notice is its solid construction and exceptional handling hallmarks of Porsche craftsmanship. The test drives didn't hold back, pushing the Macan EV to its limit to the track. It even showcased some of the road-off capabilities, although it's safe to say most owners won't be taking it off the beaten path. The electric Macan is built on the Volkswagen Group's premium platform electric PPE architecture, a high-end platform developed in collaboration with Audi and Porsche. This advanced platform will also be the foundation for the upcoming Audi Q6 e-tron and other luxury electric vehicles. Porsche is keeping things straightforward with the electric Macan by offering just one battery size, a powerful 100 kWh pack made of 12 modules with prismatic cells. This hefty battery weighs in at 570 kg but can charge at an impressive 270 kW, ensuring that it's both fast and efficient. It's also built to perform in extreme temperatures from -30 to 60 degrees Celsius, making it versatile in various climates. Although there has been some delays, the electric Porsche Macan is now expected to launch in 2025 and anticipation is building.